All right, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. This is a 100 k ohm volume potentiometer for a Leslie 122 amplifier. Brand new, of course. And the range on this is from around 4 ohms up to 100k, of course. Usually I see around 4 ohms to around 90 k ohms on these when I measured on my Fluke 289. Now I have my Fluke connected to the vintage potentiometer vintage pot that's already, of course, installed in this 122. And let's look at its range. You see that it's high where it should be, down to 4 ohms. It's up in the high 20s, and where it should stop at 100k, it's right up at the top, a little bit over 101. So what I'm going to do is see if I can get this variable resistor, this pot to come down in terms of this lower levels of resistance here. See if I can bring it on down by cleaning the potentiometer, because what this would translate to being is that I would turn the volume down on the amplifier, but yet there's still sound. So I wanted, if I turn it down to 0, there to be no sound being emitted. So I'm going to clean this pot. We have some electronic cleaner here, some precision electronic cleaner. That's what I'm using right here. Some Radio Shack. I bought a bunch of this stuff before Radio Shack went out of business. Just gonna spray it there. Now let's see what happens. See if that if the measurements change as a result of that cleaning. Went up just a little bit. Let's see if it goes down. Look at that. Come down a little bit. Let's work this thing. So what I'm doing now is I'm working the pot here. I'm trying to get some of the cleaning fluid. Trying to get the cleaning fluid on all areas of the pot by turning it. All right, let's see what we got here now. 102k. Down to 17. So cleaning helped it. It didn't bring it down to the single digits. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to change that pot out, because after cleaning it, it's still that. I mean, that's the low end right there. And I'm going to change that pot. I'm going to replace this pot. You see that? Let me show you what I should be getting. Here's a new pot. I found that even the new pots is helpful to use some cleaning fluid in them at the beginning. They become less scratchy. When they're brand new, these alpha potentiometers, you can hear scratching in them when they sit in these little drawers. So I'll spray them before I even install them. Okay. Okay, here we go. See, there you go. That's what I'm looking for. That's the range I'm looking for right there. I'm looking for that I want that number to go on down. So that's a new pot. So anyway, I'll be installing this new potentiometer in here, because I couldn't get this one to come on down in terms of the lower level of resistance that I wanted, like this one. So I will be replace this potentiometer. This is Dr. Kemp with Hammond Doc. Of course, I'll be refurbishing this whole and this amplifier, and getting rid of these old caps and the resistors that need to be replaced. So I'll take care of all of that. All right. Until the next video. The Hammond Doc. Peace out.